Today, I'm gonna tell you 5 legit apps that will help you earn some pocket money in just few minutes. These apps are 100% legit and genuine, so you don't have to worry about not getting paid. Our first legit money-making app is Toloka by Yandex. Did you know that you can get paid for clicking pictures, recording videos and audios, correcting grammars, giving opinions and many more? Well, Toloka pays you for doing exactly that. Unlike any other apps, Toloka pays you in dollars. There is no coin-based system here, which is great. These are the list of tasks and the amount that you get for completing per task, which means you can do the same task again and again if applicable. Some tasks are Android and iOS specific, and some needs to be done using your web browser. Some task needs to be verified to get paid, and some task gives you the money instantly. You can see that I have literally completed just 5 tasks which took me just 5 to 10 minutes to complete. I got $1.95 for just 5 tasks, which is great. You can withdraw your money earned from Toloka via PayPal, Papara, Payoneer, and Skrill. The minimum amount to withdraw via PayPal is $0.2. It could increase to $1 if the withdrawal request is made twice a week. Toloka is available both on Android and iOS. Download the app from the link in description. On number 2 we have SB Answer by Swagbucks. SB Answer is a straightforward app where you get SB points for giving your opinion. You get a list of surveys here. The surveys here will give you a good amount of SB points, but I have only 2 surveys now. I will get more surveys if I answer 10 questions from the About Me tab. You will get 2 SB for answer 10 questions here, so it's not a waste. And you have a daily poll where you will get 1 SB point for voting to this poll once every day. I have already voted for today. You can redeem your SB points via PayPal, Payoneer, or gift cards that are available. 100 SB point equals to $1. This is also available both for Android and iOS. Download the app from the link in the description. You have made this far. Can I get a thumbs up on this video now? I'd appreciate it. On number 3 we have the Make Money app. This app will help you earn PayPal money. All you need to do is complete the tasks given in the app. They may include downloading apps, completing surveys, and many others. You earn credits for every task completed. You can then redeem the credits via PayPal. 1,000 credits equals $1. This is also available both for Android and iOS. The link is in the description. Now, on number 4, we have Google Opinion Rewards. This app needs no introduction. This is owned by Google and we can trust them anyway. This app is similar to SB Answer, where you get paid for completing surveys. The more you are active in the app, the more surveys you will get. Android users can withdraw money to their Google Play wallet, and iOS users can withdraw money via PayPal. And on number 5, we have is Field Agent. This app is one of the best apps to earn money online. This app is similar to Toloka. You get paid for clicking pictures, completing surveys, recording videos, and many more. They get you paid as they use the information provided by you for market research and many other possible things. Field Agent is the highest paying apps among all of the apps mentioned here. You can withdraw money straight into your bank. Unfortunately, Field Agent is available only in selected countries. They don't collect any of your personal data. Not only Field Agent, but all of the apps mentioned here are concerned about your personal data and doesn't collect or share it with anyone else. Okay, now, I will tell you the best app according to me and my usage from the list. So these are my favorite to least favorite apps from the list. Least favorite doesn't mean they are not legit, it's just my personal opinion according to my usage. Comment down if you want a detailed explanation video about each app mentioned here.